In this document, I need to move that text to the header area. Select the text. Control X, header area, Control V. The text needs to be right aligned. Right aligned. I need to insert a date as a field. I'm going to use QuickPart field. Date. And that's the format I need. Let me close the header and footer area. Now this text here, I need to give it borders and shading. Go there to borders and shading. I must make sure it's as a paragraph. Now, I need borders at the top and the bottom, and they need to be 2 1/4 points, top, bottom. Now, I need to shade this paragraph. There. Not text, but as paragraph. There. Now, this text there must be formatted as heading 1 with heading 1 style. Now over here, this text needs bullets. I'm going to go there to symbol, define new bullet, symbol. It needs to be a wingding bullet. Wingding. And needs to be character code 38. Correct. Now underneath that bulleted list, I need to insert an object, which is a link. Insert. An object. It's a link to a file that's already been made. Let me go and look for that file. The file is in my folder, which is, yeah, that is the file it must link to. Link to, and it must display as an icon. There. Now over here, this text on that page and on that page needs to have outline numbering. I'm going to make it all onto one page for the moment. Double click to hide white space. Now it needs outline numbering. Select. Home. Outline numbering. And in the list library, it needs that style. Not finished yet. I'm going to indent that. Not finished. And that is going to be indented. And there we have the outline numbering which is required. I can see its outline numbering there. Now, let me get it back onto pages which show the white space. Double click. There. Now, that style is heading 2 style. And it needs to be modified. It must be 14 points. It must be bold. It must be any dark blue color. And the paragraph spacing needs to be 6 points after. Correct. Now I need to get, let me close that. Now I need to have page numbering. I'm going to insert page numbers at the bottom of the page. And here are the styles that I need. That. But I need to have different for the even and the odd pages. Let me just go with that for the moment. There. Different, even, and odd. Now the even pages, the number must be left aligned. Here. Let me go there now. Page numbers. Bottom. The style that I want is the style X of Y. And for even, I want it left aligned. Let me go to Odd. I'm not sure how that came to be there. I don't want that style. Don't want that style. I want it. I wanted a particular style, and I wanted this style, and I want it to be right aligned. There. Close. Let me check if everything is as I want it. For page 1 is odd, right aligned, left aligned, right aligned. Good. Now, on page 2, we have text. This text and that. And transport, I want that text to be in columns. Select it. Layout. Columns. More columns. It has to be in 2 columns. The line in between. Not equal widths. The first column must be 8 centimeters. And the second column must be 8.5 centimeters wide. Correct. That looks right. Now what I must still do is that this paragraph must be at the top of the second column. Put my mouse at the beginning of the paragraph and breaks, column break. There. It is at the top of the second column, and I used a column break. Now we scrolled on. Here we're going to format this text with tabs. Select the text. Paragraph, tabs. Clear default tabs. We're going to format the text 7.5 right aligned with dots. Set. Okay. There. Now this must be in small caps. Select it. Font. Small caps. There. Next, I need to go to review, and I need to do a spelling and grammar check. And needs to be in South African English. Trender is a proper noun I'm going to ignore. Essential is incorrect. I'm going to change it. That word is incorrect. I'm going to change it. That is a grammar error which I'm not going to change. Halal is a proper noun which I'm going to ignore. Grammar and spelling check is complete. Lastly, I have to replace all slashes with the word or. I'm going to replace one. Yes, replace. 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 Question 1 is now complete.